Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of clearing your search history on the Google Earth app. Whether you're looking to maintain privacy or simply declutter your search history, this step-by-step guide will help you do just that. First, open the Google Earth app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Then, from the menu that appears, choose Settings. Scroll down until you reach the General section. Here, you'll find the option labeled Clear Search History. Tap on it. Finally, confirm your action by tapping on Clear when prompted. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your search history on the Google Earth app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.